The verdict is in. The company that owns the Aurora Theater, Cinemark, will not be held responsible for the mass shooting in 2012. Survivors and family members had filed a civil lawsuit, and Denver 7 reporter Lance Hernandez has been talking to both sides today. Lance?
And jurors deliberated for less than 3 hours before reaching their verdict. The plaintiff's attorney told me he was gravely disappointed in the outcome and said he expects they'll be trying this case again.
The victims of this tragedy from July 19th, 2012 have been dealt another blow.
Attorney Mark Byrne not happy with the jury's decision. He says Cinemark should have done much more to protect its patrons that fateful night. He says they should have had cameras outside, a silent alarm on the back door, and armed guards. He noted the theater had armed guards on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
But for a special event, expecting 1,000 people for the premiere of a blockbuster movie, they did not have that type of security.
I think the evidence was very clear that this was unstoppable, unforeseeable.
Cinemark's attorney says the mass shooting was a tragedy for victims, first responders, the community, and for Cinemark.
Justice was done, in our view, 11.5 months ago when Mr. Holmes was found solely at fault for this horrendous, horrendous crime that I hope our state and our nation never again endures.
12 people were killed, 70 others injured in that mass shooting. The plaintiff's attorney says he will file a motion to set aside this verdict. Without elaborating, he says there was certain evidence that was excluded that would have absolutely changed the result. He intends to file an appeal in about 2 weeks. Ann?